Alright, today we're going to be doing the valve adjustment on the KP Mini. I already took everything off, bent this tab up so I can get a little wiggle room, and let's see if we can get it off. Ooh, let's crack these two. I haven't done a valve adjustment on this yet. I have done it on my Brozz multiple times, so I'm thinking it shouldn't be that difficult. Take these off on the side. I think I'm breaking it. Ooh, don't want to break it, but alright, so now can we get any wiggle room to get this out? Let's see. Talk about taking your goddamn valve job to the next level. All this just to drop the. Alright, so after dropping the freaking engine, look what you can do now. Look at this. Come in a little closer. Look at this, look at this, look at this. Fucking bullshit. Alright, we finally got to these damn valves. Now I have two fine top dips in it. Alright, so now you're going to want to turn it over until you get that T mark lined up with that. Also a good way, these two black marks right here be parallel with the thing. And these should have play. They're both tabby. Alright, on to the adjustment. Alright, tap dead center. We're going to try a 0.033 inch first. Oh, a little tight. Alright, let's see what this one is. Loose. Try 0.5. That's what I'm aiming for. 0.005. Yeah, you can't see it's all faded, but that's what I'm aiming for. Oh, this one's loose. Oh, no. This one a little tight. Alright, so they're both a little tight. So I'm going to adjust them. You start by unlocking this. This is your locking nut. Alright, and going for 0.003 inches. I want to do that. Alright, let's see. This. Sorry, hands in the way. All I'm doing is adjusting it down. So it has a nice little scrape to it. And you're just going to want to try and hold this part still while you lock that. I usually use a pair of needle nose. They do make a special tool for it, but who wants to spend the extra money? Let's get over this way. Alright. Would have been good to tighten it down first, huh? should be good. Alright. Now we move on to the next valve, same thing. And I'll catch up with you when I get it back together and start. Alright, valve job all done. Let's see how she starts. Butter. Job complete. Blood, sweat, and tears.